Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Made you laugh. Hee 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 hee. My name is Tamika. Hello gorgeous. Alright, so in today's video, honey, we are getting ready to take down my king size bed. It is way overdue. Had this bed for way too long. Over maybe I think 10 years. But anywho, my bed is sitting on some old time 1900 rails. If you don't know what I'm talking about, girl, just keep watching and you will see my 1900 old-fashioned rails. Okay, girl? Help your girl out by subscribing to the channel. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I need you guys to help me to get monetized. So if you please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel and make sure you have that notification bell on. Thank you, boo.
Say you're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost, cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I can never get it right without you, no. I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't.
Alright, honey, I am all done. Everything here that you see that is on the wall, I'm just going to have to straighten that up. But I am in the doorway of my bedroom. I have so much room. I cannot believe this king-size bed took up so much room. So the grand finale is, dun, 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 we are sleeping on a mattress. I think this is a full-size mattress. I got this mattress from Walmart. I had this for like maybe a couple of years. It is a little bit dirty.
Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love.
Just gonna blow this thing up and wash all the covers and then lay them down. Okay. Have you subscribed to the channel? Please make sure you go ahead and subscribe because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers and get monetized. So help your girl out. Here is the grand finale, all the way finished. Got some cover on it, fresh smelling good, shoes lined up. Everything looks a little nice and neat for the most part. Just stay tuned until I get my brand new bed and I will reveal that a little bit later. So thank you for watching all the way to the end. Comment down below which bed should I get, a full-size king or queen. Should it be a headboard or non-headboard? Let your girl know in the comment section. Toodaloo.